Here we have yuca. As you can see, it's a little bit entangled. We have quite a bit. This is a very thick one. We suspect the root will be very well developed. So to start taking it out, we're gonna chop here, just to be able to maneuver around it, and then we're gonna pull the root out. This is a little too old. As you can see, it developed a little bit of mold outside. It's a little smelly. It's not good anymore to eat. This is still a very good piece. Has a very white color.
Ay, madre.
Vamos a sacar. A sacar. Sí, sí, sí. This is a very important part of the diet in the Talamanca coast. It has been like that for a while, along with pineapples, other basics like ñampi, breadfruit, bananas between those cuadrados, plantain. When it comes about yuca, it's important to know you want to cook it peeled, because in the peeling you have a cyanogenic glucoside that's actually poisonous for humans. So you want to get rid of that when you're cooking it. You want to take this off and then boil the yuca to neutralize this glucoside.
¿Qué quieres?
Para
A las 2 le dije.
sí, está bien.